Hi, this is John from Premiere Pro Classes, and today's tutorial is about the new Premiere feature, how you can enhance your audio and get rid of background noise like super easy. Let me show you how. So here I have this random project here, and these interviews are all done out. This is done outside, and you can hear that background noise. This is done in a car. This is done also in a car, and this is done outside.
You know, I'm an American, and
so you can hear the background noise in those shots. So if I want to clean that audio up so I can hear the voices better, it's super easy. You just have to highlight all the clips, and you open up your Essential Sound panel. And if you don't see it, it's under a window. You can see Essential Sound. And you would click on the dialog box here, and this little Enhance button, you would click that, and it would analyze your sound, and sometimes it takes a little longer and you see a little bar, and sometimes it's quick like this, but it enhances the sound. So now when I play this, like let's say I play this clip here, and I slide this slider over,
and that's another reason why I like to inform people about
it totally gets rid of the background noise if you want, and have zero background noise. Sounds like it was recorded in a studio. Same with this clip. If I slide this slider back to where there's nothing,
This is
you hear that background noise. But if I slide it, you know, all the way,
part of our history. This is something that lets you, I guess, get more out of it.
and that is just sounds so much better. So anyway, that's a really easy to kind of fix your audio, enhance your audio when you're shooting outside and you have some background noise. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Subscribe or like. See you next time. Thank you for watching.